Hollywood created legends. Their work shaped cinema, music, and storytelling. Today we remember their lives, their legacy, and their final moments. Robert Redford. Robert Redford was a legendary Hollywood actor best known for Butch Cassidy and the Sanders Kid. His calm skin presence and natural charisma define classic American cinema. He passed away peacefully in his sleep, leaving behind a timeless legacy. Diane Keaton. Diane Keaton was celebrated for her unique screen presence and timeless performance. Her role in Annie Hall earned her an Academy Award and made her a cultural icon. She passed away after battling pneumonia, leaving behind an unforgettable cinematic legacy. Gene Hackman. Gene Hackman was one of the most respected actors in Hollywood history. His powerful performance in The French Connection and Unforgiven defined realism on screen. He passed away due to heart disease, closing the chapter on a remarkable acting career. Val Kilmer. Val Kilmer was known for his intense performance and distinctive voice. From Top Gun to The Roads, he proved his versatility time and again. He passed away due to pneumonia, deeply saddening fans around the world. Malcolm Jamal Warner. Malcolm Jamal Warner became a household name through The Cosby Show. He successfully transitioned from a child star into the respected adult actor. He passed away due to drowning, shocking and deeply saddening the television community. Michelle Trankberg. Michelle Trankberg gained popularity for her roles in Buffy the Vampire Slayer and Gossip Girl. Her performance connected Starling with young audiences worldwide. She passed away due to complications from diabetes, leaving fans heartbroken. Rob Reiner. Rob Reiner was a master storyteller, both behind and in front of the camera. Films like When Harry Met Sally remain classics to this day. He passed away due to homicide, marking a great loss to cinema. Ozzy Osbourne. Ozzy Osbourne was a global rock icon and the legendary voice of Black Sabbath. His influence shaped heavy metal music forever. He passed away after a heart attack, ending a revolutionary musical journey. David Lynch. David Lynch was known for his surreal storytelling and visionary mind. As the creator of Twin Peaks, he changed television forever. He passed away due to asphyxia, leaving behind a mysterious and powerful legacy. Michael Madsen. Michael Madsen was known for his tough and intense screen presence. He became iconic through his roles in Quentin Tarantino films. He passed away due to heart failure, deeply impacting Hollywood.